may be one of the best payoffs to a hike ever. We are going to explore Panther Creek Falls, or maybe it's just Panther Falls. I don't know, some sort of falls. The cool thing is, found this little parking spot, and somebody took the time to label it. Look at that kind. They also labeled that danger. So let me rephrase that. We're headed to Danger Falls, a dangerous place. Oh, actually, maybe it is. That's pretty. It's quite the fall. Well, upon further inspection, I've decided to make a footwear change. It has been raining since we've been here. 2 days. And I think that's the thing about the Pacific Northwest. I guess I'm in the Pacific Northwest. I don't know. Everything is this color of green, which is pretty indescribable. It's just so lush and so green. Crazily green. It's just hard to describe. The downside to that, however, is that everything's wet. Everything's always wet. I'm just, living in a sea of mud in Vandalf. It's just muddy. Just mud. Just mud. Everything is mud puddles. But yet you get all this. Someone's also been thoughtful enough to mark a line in the road where the trail begins. I'll be honest, it's been 20 feet and I sure am glad I made that footwear change. It is slick and dirty and muddy and pretty. I am just so in love with the moss that just grows everywhere. It's so cool. This hike is gonna suck on the way out. Okay, the falls are starting to come into vision now. Whoa, I did no research. I've had no internet, but I downloaded the area on Google Maps and I just did a search for falls and this came up. Oh my God. So like this is literally the first time I'm seeing it. crap. This may be one of the best payoffs to a hike ever. Thoughts as I'm climbing back up this mountain. Wonder if he's the oldest dog to do certain things. Like the oldest dog to shit at the Grand Tetons. The oldest dog to pee in Panther Creek Falls. I don't know, man. He just he's unstoppable. Unless there's a smell. Look, I'm just gonna say it. That's the prettiest waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a lot of waterfalls. Just the greenery of Oregon, Washington, wherever I'm at. It's like right on the border. Mixed with the moss and how tall that was. It was just, man, it was awesome. Even the hike down was amazing. There's all these like rocks and stuff that have fallen down that have moss all over them, so it's just green. Just green, all right? That's the theme here, is what I'm trying to tell you. Everything here is green. Just crazy color of green that I've never seen before. Shades and shades of green that I've never seen before. I love it here. So we're gonna go back to camp, and I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna think about what I saw here fondly. Wow, today is a special day. Why, you ask? Because of the waterfalls? No. Oh no. Because I took a shower. It had been since Glacier National Park since I've showered. I don't know how many days that is. It's more than humans should go without taking a shower. I forgot I had purchased this camp shower. It's like a bag. 5-gallon solar shower. So I had to take that and put it up there, you know, because of gravity. Took me a while to figure that out. But then it worked, and now I have water everywhere. In the van, it's just soaked. But I smell like soap. Like bear bait now. I smell like so much soap. It feels so good. Went out into the water of the river here, the Panther River, and collected it's supposed to be 5 gallons. I think I was able to collect 1.5. Solid 1.5. Made it work. I mean, I still have water left over, probably a half. So I guess it doesn't take that much to shower. I should look into maybe taking more showers instead of just using the old wipes. But anyway, you want to know what van life is like? It's like that. It's like that. This is what we do. It's gross, I know. But I got clean balls now. This adventure was one of those that came out of the blue. Much like many of Onyx and my adventures, there was no planning, no preparation, just a desire to explore and see something amazing. And that's the thing about travel. Some of the things you see leave you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. The Pacific Northwest is unlike anything I've ever seen. The incessant rain creates life all around you. Everything is growing, everything is vibrant, Everything is an overwhelming abundance of green. Next week we continue our adventures here in the Pacific Northwest and continue to be greeted by this amazing scenery. So until then, take the time to appreciate the rain that may fall into your life. Be grateful, and keep exploring life with an open mind.